kinabuhi, pre. You're so very pinahirapan. Dito na lang sa magpalit sa kanang sa blue ba sa sari-sari store.
Balay? Ang puti ko blue balay.
Near our house. Kay the rice is so heavy. If we buy rice from public market, guys, the rice will be so heavy. And I'm still telling my daughter it's so very hard. That is why that I'm only buying fish. Only 1 kilo, guys. I can afford 1 kilo. It's already 200 pesos. So the change is at 800. So I will be gonna buy rice with this, and also the change of the rice. I'm gonna buy oil and puting. Pagdali. Hello, Mario Travis. Hello. Thank you so much for watching, guys, to our journey today. You watch how we struggle on the baha. No, it's 10 kilo. I will buy 10 kilo of rice. 1 kilo is 62 pesos here in Philippines. So it's so very pricey. It depends on the quality of the rice. Ha? Mag-half-bat lang. Half-bat. That's why guys, I'm not buying rice in the public market because it's so heavy. I'm carrying my daughter also, so it's not good. No? Dahil po sa konti sa imong pagkain, may kimaw sa imong head. Ay tingali nag-rain pa ba? Correct back na. Tarong na pa po. Drink the water. Mari laman hira. So para di tamapi.
May nakita mo ito?
Scarlet. All sa day, may kapoy day. Ulit naman sa sila. Hold pa. Tayo.